Let's take a look at setting up the Dexter Chaney integration. First, we need to go to System Settings, Company Setup, Integrations, and switch on Dexter Chaney. Here, it will ask for the service URL and an authorization ID. All this information can be gathered from Spectrum. In Spectrum, we first can go to System Administration, Utilities, and Data Exchange Download. Here in the Data Exchange Download, we can see the URL and the port number that we'll use for the service URL in ProEst. Next, we'll go to System Administration, Installation, and Data Exchange. Here we'll click on New, enter in the authorization ID, check Active, and I'll prompt you what companies to be part of this authorization. Next, we can click on Build, and we'll first go to Inventory, hit Go, and we'll select Get Inventory Items. We'll hit OK, we'll click Build again, and then select Job Cost. Here, we'll select Add Job, Add Phase, Get Phase, and Update Job. We'll hit OK, and last, we'll select the Spectrum Operator code. Please make sure they have the appropriate permissions to create a job and access the inventory. We can hit OK, OK again, and we've now set up our authorization code. Back in ProEst, we can put in the service URL along with the port number and the authorization code we just set up. Hit Connect, and we successfully connected to Spectrum. You can close this window.